So getting back to AI, when the problem is strip this sample, identify each individual sound in the sample, and the user can help you do it. And then the AI is graded on how well it does that, so that the next time it hears similar sounds, it can do it even quicker. In an application like that, that's something the AI mindset is good at. You see what I'm saying? That's something the AI mindset is good at. Now, when it comes to being human and communicating human problems through raps, or communicating daily life struggles through raps, or anything like that, when right now there's not even a way this thing really lives life in a normal public. You know what I'm saying? Aside from in the virtual public. But in terms of walking around with us, it don't do that yet, really. In controlled ass settings yet. Nah, you don't see that shit just walking down the street yet. Although there are certain entities of public figure who I question if they're of the AI variety. But that's a whole different video and whole different topic. I don't want to taint this video with that because they don't like when you be talking about shit like that. So when I do a video like that, it has to be totally on that. But when it comes to the AI and the Murzik, the most you're going to be able to do with it, like the most successful things it'll be good at, is replicating dead artist catalogs, which there's only so much of that. That runs out. You see what I'm saying? Because you don't get, like, the last really good artist we had like that was King Von in terms of rap. And with rap, I don't think it can do the rap as good as it could do, like, for example, like Michael Jackson or something. Someone like Michael Jackson would be probably one of the easiest things for AI to bring back, because it's going to be very good at making plastic music. It's going to be really good at making music that just people could jam to. You feel what I'm saying? And that sounds good. It's going to focus on, does it sound good? And with rap, that's an aspect of it, but you have to focus on so much more, because the type of audience we are as rappers and as rap fans and shit, we only going for certain shit. And the AI don't really think like that. It's not trained to. I don't think it can. To think as critically as a rapper would about another rapper especially. I don't think you can train it to think of all the points we would think of those specific points. You could train to think about it and develop an opinion, but not based on what we develop an opinion off of. I don't think. I don't think you can set those specific parameters. But like I said, in terms of like this RipX program, in terms of taking a sample and breaking it down instrument by instrument and being able to do that really well and then learn how to do it better as it learns more and more of these sounds, that in itself is something it could be very good at. Like I said, making Michael Jackson type music where it just has to sound good, sound like Michael, all that shit, all up in that shit, whatnot. That it could do that. And then just have some like generic-ish hook that sound good. And it can bring back Michael Jackson. And there's so many dead artists that's like this. It could do that with a lot of dead artists. But there's only so much. So that's why I say, in terms of, especially music that's really human in nature, it's not going to be able to fuck with humans on that. In terms of electronic music, in terms of pop music, in terms of all that music, yeah, it gonna be able to do something. In terms of making instrumentals, yeah, it gonna be able to do something. But even with instrumentals, if they're used for rap, I question how if you'll get the, like, some instrumentals, man, when you be writing them shits, or you be rapping them shits, or you be even just like trying to write shit to them shits, like some of them shits give you chills the way they is. Like some of these young boys is fire with that shit nowadays. So will it even be able to compete with that? That's where I'm thinking. Can it get the same emotion? Because I don't know if it can feel chills, man. I don't know. Now wait, hold on, I just realized. This is my main potential issue with RipX. And I'm thanking God I only used it for instrumental samples and shit. Because I don't want it to learn how to rap. I don't want it to start noticing themes and like, because I listen to the most obscure of rap. So like, the type of shit I listen to, like, is only the most hardest, gangsterous, realest shit. Like, and it would be able to like notice certain themes. I feel like if I did it for like vocal chops enough times, it would be like, so that's how you do that. It would be like a Milk 7.4 that was AI. Because it says when you do the terms of service, it's like, the terms and conditions, they said something straight up about data collection. But like, we're very vague as to what it was for. And like, this shit is based off AI. But it's like, how? I know you could do the whole stripping shit without using AI. So what is the AI there for? To learn the music and make it maybe move a little bit quicker? And make it more accurate? You feel what I'm saying? Because part of the AI is that it's learning the sounds that it's going to hear. Like, the more you sample with it, the more it hears it, the more it learns that shit for next time and next time and next time. So the program itself is always getting smarter the more that you use it. Which concerns me a little bit. But if it's really constrained to just that environment, see, the problem is the data collection. Where is that data going? Is it restricted from that data and you can choose what you feed that data? How is that working? Part of me even wonders if the data collection is so that what you sample, it can learn to try to recreate dead artists. That's a big part of my question, actually. Is this all being done, RipX? Is this your whole plan, is to, we're going to give them this sample stripping shit that uses AI, that we could have figured a way to do it without using AI, but we're going to use it with AI so that it can learn these tracks that they're sampling from iconic dead fucking artists. Is that data literally confined to the square of the sounds? Through those sounds, what other data might it gather? And can it try to learn other shit outside what it's supposed to for its program and start learning some other shit? And then we have a whole chat GPT mess like what just started. Think about it, man. I'm out of this business.